All right, so here we are, September 10th, Tuesday, looking at the 50K NQ on the dashboard, and this account has been popped. I basically just jumped in a trade Sunday night. Didn't really have time to make content. I just threw a trade on and then left it. And then Monday I was going to try to close it out before I headed out. And woke up to a popped account, and I did it because my rebuild was just in a couple days. So I was just basically Hail Marying, and I'm either going to pass the combine or I'm not, and then just let it rebuild, and then I go from there. So that's what happened with the 50K NQ combine. And 2 days when it's rebuilds, or 1 day now, 2 days, whatever it is, I will restart it again and go from there. I want to try to pass it within the 30-day window, and then if not, I'm just starting it over, and then I'll look to pass it again in the 30-day window. So that's where we're at with that. Okay, so here we are in the live account, and again, no trades in it because I haven't been able to log in to trade. So a bit frustrating. You know, I've sent a message to customer support over at Topstep, and no word, no feedback, no nothing. Just, hey, we'll message you back when we get to you, kind of thing. And I haven't heard nothing. So hopefully I can try to log in again today, and maybe I'll be able to trade. Maybe I won't. You know, sometimes it seems like what Topstep does is if they have like a large, problem that's just not for an individual, it's for a large group of people, that they just fix the problem, and then that's it. You don't hear anything from them about it. It just gets fixed, and that's it. So I don't know. We're going to try to log in today. Hopefully I can get into that account and let this thing keep on growing. I missed out on a bunch of good trades last week as a result, and I'd hate to miss out on more this week. All right, buddy. See you on the next trade. All right, here I am in the live account with the YM, the Dow Jones, getting ready to get into this trade to the long side.
Order submitted.
Okay, in one contract with the YM. Gonna mark it up. All right, so here I am in the trade. I don't know why this isn't moving. On my other monitor, my Thinkorswim charts, there's activity right here. We're in the green right now. All right, so my connection's good, it looks like, and for some reason I'm not getting any movement here. On Ninja Trader, down here in the bottom, I can see the movement happening with Rhythmic, so that's seeing it. But Ninja's not. But it's also not showing P&L. It's not showing profit open. But I have one contract open here. Normally open and close shows me a number. Net quantity, I'm in with one here. But profit open and close isn't showing. So for whatever reason, the data is not coming through. In Thinkorswim, I'm seeing this move up nicely to the upside. So far we're green on this trade. We'll have to see if that ends up green on the exit here. I am in the YM Dow Jones September contract. Am I in the wrong contract? Let's try this. Type in YM. Let's see what it does if I do that. September, yeah, September. All right. Because Ninja Trader automatically give me the latest contract. Well, at least it's a green trade. You just can't see it over here for some reason. So yes, and back in my live account, I was able to log in. So they never responded to me over at Topstep, but now the issue is resolved. So I guess it may have been a bigger issue for more than just me. So they may have just blanket fixed it and called it a day. But I got no message saying anything about it. But either way, I'm back in. I'm in a trade. It's green. It's looking good. And it should be up in this area right now. But I don't know why. Let me go to a different time frame and see what happens. 30-minute? Nope, still not showing. Yeah, we should be right in this zone in here right now. Anyway, we had a low, made a high. Looking for this to be a higher low, and looking for a higher high, which my initial target is well within that higher high. So no problem. That should be pretty easy. Although, right here is a support resistance channel. And you can see right here where it got to the top of that channel and then got rejected. And now we are breaking out of that channel. Although you can't see it on this chart. On Thinkorswim, we're breaking out of that channel. And looking for that next resistance to start to show up around this area here. By looking for at least a deep inside move here. Potentially to retrace all the way to the top and making new highs. I'd like to squeeze more out if that happens. I just don't know because over here it's not showing me anything. So, all right, so I logged out on NinjaTrader, log back in, and here we go. So back in now. At least you can see the movement here on the chart with NinjaTrader. You just don't see it down here with open P&L on Rhythmic and P&L on Rhythmic, and maybe that's Topstep's way of saying we're going to help this guy not trade his P&L. I don't know. That's the market gods saying no more looking at your P&L. We're not going to show it to you. But I can see it moving right here. So I can see my profits right there, which is not quite accurate. It should be more than that right now. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. We're going to find out when this trade closes. We'll see what it does. All right, I'll bring the conclusion to you. Okay, so back in the 30-minute candle, it seems to be stuck again. So I'm going to go ahead and log out of NinjaTrader again and then log back in and see what happens. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and look to exit this trade here. I wanted to get the recording going first. I just had a nice opportunity to exit, but I waited to get my recording going first. And I'm going to hit close.
Order filled.
All right, so I should be out of that trade with $246 in profit. So yeah, I'm just going to, now it's showing profit, or no, it's just showing closed P&L, open 0. Now it's showing everything. Do I get back in now and see if this is working? I think not, because my NinjaTrader is still not moving over here. All right, so you can see where I'm exiting the trade up here as it's breaking to the high of this channel. And then the new 30-minute candle just opened. Day only has like 3 of these left. And we're starting to max out the number of 30-minute candles that the Dow Jones likes to put out green. I'm just going to stay out. I'll stay out, log back. Hopefully I can log back in tomorrow. Closed profit and loss are showing $250 over here. It's actually $246, I think, after commissions, which also gives me my 30 green days. So at any point from this time forward, if I want to 30 green days of $200 or more, I can fully take out 100% of my account if I want, or 75 or 80, whatever. I can do what I want. Before you have 30, once you get 5 green days of 200 or more, you can take out 50% of your account. Once you get 30 green days of 200 or more, you can take out whatever you want to do. So that's locked in. So now if I have any issues and I just decide, you know what, I want to close out this account, I can take all of it. So pretty sweet. Okay, so I jumped over to the casino account with the Combine and took this quick trade in the NQ, and everything's working here. Long exposure, all this stuff's working, charts working, everything's working fine. So I don't know, there's something going on with the live account connections. I wasn't able to connect for like almost 2 weeks. And today I was able to connect, but then the data feed coming through the live account wasn't, it was working sort of down here, but nowhere else. So I don't know, there might be something still going on there. All right, buddy, see you tomorrow.